Hey folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. Not too far from the start of an Audax. It is very cold. As you can see, I've got a really big head today where I'm wearing my woolly hat underneath my helmet. Looks a bit odd, a bit heavy, but it is bloody freezing, -3 this morning. Hands are cold. Stopped at a quick Shell garage, grabbed something to eat. I'm going to make my way into the start in Cheadle, 2 miles up the road. I'm going to get there, grab a cup of coffee. And I've got the best seat in the house. I better move actually before I get too comfortable. I like that.
You like rings?
Going up to the first information control, Tatton Park. It's a beautiful morning. Looks like the frost has cleared already. What's this, like Richmond Park of the North? There's deers everywhere. Just coming into the first control, Mickle Trafford, and gone from being right at the very front to right at the very back. Oh, a bit of a nightmare. I was going along, went to unclip, left foot stuck in, wouldn't come out. I was like, oh my god, what I'm doing? Right behind the car. Of course, I just kept going. Luckily the lights changed. And I'm just trying to get my left foot out. A pedestrian came along, said, "Can you help? I can't get my foot out." Landing against the wall, like. I ended up managing to take my shoe off, and I was out. But a bit of a nightmare. Luckily for me, managed to find a screw and get myself back in again. So I got the bolt in, and the cleats and away I go again. My foot's a bit awkward at the moment. So just hoping nothing else happens. Yeah, it was right from the front up to all the way to the back. There it is, Mickle Trafford. But it's going to be really quick in and out now. I don't know whether to stop to sort my cleat out because it's not quite right. I can feel the difference. Tell you what, I'm glad I don't live around here. A lot of bad drivers, they just overtake you like there's a third lane. I'm sure Eddie doesn't mind me asking. Well, I've got a camera in his face. What's the thought to the ride so far?
Oh, fine. It's not raining.
Yep.
A bit chilly.
Tick.
Yeah.
Yep. It's all been good so far, hasn't it? Long way that rain stay away.
No big headwind yet.
No, it's a tailwind, Eddie, today. On the way back.
Hopefully.
That's what I was told. So we're just on the Millennium Chester Millennium Greenway, it says. Heading towards the bridge which crosses into Wales at Connors Quay, but I don't think we crossed the border at all on this ride. We just kind of ride alongside it. Been a good ride this morning, made a lot of progress. Wales that way, England the other way. Got to answer the question on the card, how many miles to Neaston? Well, I've not seen a sign for Neaston yet, so I'm guessing it must be around a turning point. Alright, what's the answer? 5, no. Right, there's your answer, 5 miles. Bloody freezing. Just going through Pickmere, having stopped at Great Budworth. Do you know what I look like? Is it Jackass or something? I can't remember that show. I don't know, let's say I look like Eddie the Eagle. Oh, anyways, it's gone cold again. Sun's got in. It is freezing. I am smiling though, but glad to get this done. Right, here we are outside the Tree of Imagination. See if we can open this one. Nope. One of them must be open. Press bolt. Please bolt the door. It's hard to do anything with gloves on. It's different, isn't it? Right, I've seen that. It's getting dark. Keep moving along. That means the next information control must be just up the road. And the question is, what type of school is it coming up at, what's the name place? Peover Superior, although apparently it's pronounced Pever, even though it's spelled Peover. So I've just gone through Peover, and on this Audax I've not been writing down the answers to the information control, just holding in my head. The answers are so far £8, 5, and in Doward, or as I've remembered it as, 5 octopuses in Doward. No, that's not right. 5 endowed octopuses. Although I think plural of octopuses is actually opti or something. Shouldn't forget that. Not stopping in this cold. I tell you what, this Audax should be called Rocky Road as well. The roads in Cheshire are awful. My back has not liked the state of these roads at all. Not one bit. I mean, look, it's fucking awful. I'm feeling every bump on being on the road bike compared to the gravel bike. It's not really nice at all, this. Well, as I always say, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed listening to my ailments and my moans during this ride, I do enjoy it, really. I do enjoy it. Audax is definitely, at this time of year, a type 2 kind of fun. riding with somebody else earlier, Mark, who did the PCR this year, the Celtic race, and I've got like 25k back to the car. He's riding back to Sheffield. I've EC'd it, we extended it up to 200 kilometres. He's gone and done 300. Madness at this time of year. Says me, it was doing a 300 last weekend. Ooh. I'm just going to hit 100 miles. Yippee! So that means there's 40k to go. It's out 16 to Cheadle, where this Audax started, and then the rest is back to the car at Prestbury. And it's not a direct route to Prestbury either, it's kind of a little bit of a loop. And we'll be taking a middle which way, which is like an off-road walking stroke cycling path. Looks okay online. Yeah, it's one of those. What's it going to be like in real life? It looks like a well-maintained NCN. Hopefully just like the Cheshire Greenway earlier. Be alright.
So I'm back at the Bijou in Cheadle, and there's not much to show you, but it was delicious. I just had a red cabbage and hash brown soup. Sounds interesting, but it does actually taste amazing. I've never had red cabbage in a soup before, and that was delicious. Well, that's enough about the food. As for the routes, yeah, pretty good. Pretty enjoyed it. Just that earlier we missed out with the cleats, was a little bit of a put off. But in good stuff as well. Got a nice cappuccino, so I'm going to enjoy that. I've got about 15 miles left to drive back to the car. Right back to the car. 2-hour ride home. So that's the rest of my Sunday taken care of. Early night tonight, I'm back at work tomorrow. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video again. Give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Any questions about Audax or riding in this part of England, you know, Cheshire and the plains, stick them down below. For me, take care. I shall see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.